Today we're going to talk about the ankle joint, more specifically rolling the ankle and why it happens the way it does. So first off, we will demonstrate inversion, which is lifting the inside of the foot up off the ground and bringing the lateral side of the ankle closer to the ground. Usually when we roll our ankle, it is due to excessive inversion, which usually puts these lateral supportive ligaments at risk. We also have this posterior one for support. But these lateral 3 ligaments are the big players, and I will name all of them and describe them in the description down below. Now, on the other side of things, we have the deltoid ligament. This is the medial supportive ligament, and this is why we don't really see that many eversion ankle sprains, the opposite of inversion. Now, they do happen, of course, but because of this thick support, it's less common.
So I want to show you this really cool relationship with 2 forearm muscles. You can see some cut tendons here. These cut tendons come from a muscle called the flexor digitorum superficialis. I know that's a little bit of a mouthful, but flexor digitorum just means it's going to flex your digits, and it's the superficial one. But look what's cool about these tendons. If I move some of these fingers out of the way, you can actually see that this tendon from the flexor digitorum superficialis splits, and another tendon runs in between it. And that is from this muscle called the flexor digitorum profundus. Now, what's really cool, and this is to every rock climber's dismay actually, the flexor digitorum superficialis, this tendon right there, only goes to the middle phalange. Whereas the flexor digitorum profundus, the tendon that actually splits through, that actually goes all the way to the distal phalange. So when you're doing those little crimpers, when you're actually rock climbing, you might be sad that that flexor digitorum superficialis only goes to here rather than here like the flexor digitorum profundus.